friends, at first we will talk about the problems of education in Egypt. We'll choose 4 examples for it: the government, the family, the kids, the teachers, and the building of the schools. At first, we talk about the government. The government is weak. It's not take important decisions about the education problems to solve it. There was the government have the material to solve this problem, but they don't care about it. Second, the family else don't care about the education problems, because the life problems, the another life problems makes them think about it, and they forget this important problems, and they leave the kids to the school, and the school don't care about the kids. Finally, the teachers. Most of the teachers in Egypt is very weak. They don't care about the subject they teaching about to the student. They just care about the wage, or the money that they want to take at the end of the month, and they don't care about the kids learn something new and be better than that we before.
Thank you.